Hello everyone, here is your OnBase quick tip of the day. I know that sometimes it's hard in OnBase to manipulate your text and your strings into a specific format, either for a note or a text box or some sort of a message. If you haven't seen this before, I wanted to show you the Newline functionality. So if you needed to format your text in a specific way, in this case, I have a list. What you can do is you either write in Newline or you go into your functions and keywords menu and you have the Newline character. And this will allow you to then list out all of your items. I hope this helps you in formatting your strings and text in OnBase. Have a great day.